What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. This is the 2024 Amarok going for 944,900 and are looking to pay 70,436 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 21,882 kilometers on the clock. The Amarok has a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine producing 184 kilowatts of power and 550 newton meters of torque. It has a 10-speed automatic transmission and a combined fuel consumption of 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers with fuel tank of capacity of 80 liters. Also getting a roll bar there and a roller shutter so that you can protect your stuff. It is cool, man, and a tow hinge there so that you can pull your trailer or another car behind. Yeah, this car it is still okay, man. It has a 4 machine badge there. Everything on the car is still okay, no dent, no scratches. Even the paint it is still in a good condition. Even the tires, the rim, everything okay. So when it comes to the interior, you have your touchscreen system with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity, leather seats, electrical windows, and cruise control. The interior it is still okay, as the car it is still new. Everything it is okay inside there. You're also getting your steering wheel wrapped with rubber, and yeah, man, this car it is good. It is a beast, man. V6, yeah, man. VW really cooked there. Yeah, it is cool. When we are talking about the package, man, Toyota is always there. So this is the 2024 Toyota Hilux going for 734,900 and you're looking to pay 13,642 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 30,000 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota G6 has a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 150 kilowatts of power and 500 newton meters of torque. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission with fuel consumption of 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers and full tank capacity of 80 liters. Yeah, man, if you want to know a lot about this car, please visit Joburg South We Buy Cars or their website and check the technical report of this car, because I don't know anything. So this car has a canopy, as you can see there, that matches with the color of the car, and a tow hitch down there, as you can see, and the canopy was locked. I couldn't record inside, but it is still okay. The car looks proper with this canopy. Yeah, man. When it comes to the interior, you have your cruise control, infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and a USB port, climate control and power steering, and leather seats with electric adjustable. Yeah, man. This is the beast, man. Toyota is a bucky. Our next car for the day is this 2020 Toyota Hilux G6 going for 410,900 and we're looking to pay 7,888 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 126,366 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota has a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 130 kilowatts of power and 420 newton meters of torque, with 6-speed manual transmission and top speed of 180 kilometers per hour and fuel consumption of 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers and full tank capacity of 80 liters. It also comes with a tow hitch. The back is rubberized and roll bar is there. Everything on the car is still okay. Even the tires, they're still okay, and the rim is still okay. Even the windows, man. So when it comes to the interior, you have your touchscreen display with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation, steering wheel with multi-function control, and leather trim seats. Yeah, man. The car is still okay. So what do you think about this Toyota? The car is still okay. If you have a farm, man, this is for you. Our next buggy for the day is this 2019 Toyota Hilux GT6 going for 328,900 and we're looking to pay 6,307 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 190 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota GT6 has a 2.8 liter turbo diesel engine producing 130 kilowatts of power and 420 newton meters of torque, with 6-speed automatic transmission and a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 11.2 seconds. When it comes to fuel consumption, you're getting a 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers and fuel tank capacity of 80 liters. The car has a tow hitch there. The back, it is rubberized so that you can protect the body. The color, it is still okay. Even the tires, they are still okay. Even the front, it is okay, man. When it comes to the interior, you have your touchscreen display and Bluetooth connectivity and navigation, steering wheel with multifunction control and leather trim seats and electrical windows. Yeah, man, the car, it is still okay, man. The previous owner of this car really take care of it. Yeah, it is still in a good shape. This is the 2022 P Series, going for 319,900, and are looking to pay 6,144 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 66,793 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing 110 kilowatts of power and 320 newton meters of torque, with 6-speed manual transmission. When it comes to fuel consumption, you're getting a 7.7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank of 78 liters. The car, it is still okay. Even the tires, the rim, even the color, it is still white. Unfortunately, on this one, you don't have a tow hitch. Even on this side, man, the car, it is still okay. I didn't see anything strange with the car. So when it comes to the interior, you have a 9-inch touchscreen system with Bluetooth connectivity, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You also have your leather-strapped steering wheel, climate control, and premium audio system. The car inside is kinda good. It has lots of features, but yeah, man, the P Series, it is good. It is beautiful. Yeah, what do you think about this P Series? Our next car for the day is this 2023 Ford Ranger, going for 938,900, and are looking to pay 17,328 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 49,916 kilometers on the clock. The Ford Ranger has a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine producing 184 kilowatts of power and 600 newton meters of torque. With 10-speed automatic transmission, you're also getting a fuel consumption of 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers combined, with full tank of 80 liters. The car, it is still okay, man. Even the tires are still okay. Even your steps, I don't know what is that, but it is still okay. Even at the back, your back is rubberized, as you can see there, so that you can protect the body. Even this side, it is still okay. You're also having your tow hitch there, even those pipes there. Yeah, man, the car, it is good for its price. You're also getting your Raptor design there. Yeah, man, I didn't see anything strange with the car. The paint is still okay, no scratches, no dent. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 12-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, 360 camera, USB ports, and wireless charger. Even your seats there with true colors. Yeah, man, the car, it is still okay. And also your multi-function steering wheel, which is good. There's your 360 camera there. Yeah, man, the car is okay. This is the 2020 Ford Raptor, going for 543,900, and are looking to pay 10,173 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 99,000 kilometers on the clock. It also has a 2-liter 4-cylinder BI turbo diesel engine, producing 157 kilowatts of power and 500 newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 10.5 seconds and top speed of 170 kilometers per hour. It has a 10-speed automatic transmission with combined fuel consumption of 8.2 liters per 100 kilometers and full tank capacity of 80 liters. When it comes to the back, we have a roller shutter there and a tow bar so that you can protect your stuff there at the back. Yeah, the color is still okay and I love this color. You also have your tow hitch there so that is you can pull your trailer. Yeah man, the color it is still okay. I didn't see anything strange. Everything it is perfect on this car. Even the tires, they are good. Yeah man. So when it comes to the interior, you have an eye control, touch screen with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay. You have your black seats there with combination of gray and premium sound. Yeah, you're also getting your steering wheel there. Yeah man, that's it about the Raptor. This car is scary man. Yo. Our last car for the day is this 2023 Amarok, going for 478,900 and are looking to pay 9,017 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 60,000 kilometers on the clock. It also has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 125 kilowatts of power and 405 newton meters of torque. It has a 6-speed manual transmission and a fuel consumption of 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers. This one also has a canopy there, as you can see there, so that you can protect your things. And yeah man, it is still okay, and this canopy looks good on those buggies. Yeah man, it is still good. It also has a tow hitch down there so that you can carry a trailer or pull another car at the back. Yeah, the car, it is still okay. I didn't see anything strange. The color is still okay. The tires are okay. All lights are working. Yeah man. And also all your windows are tinted so that you can have that privacy. So when it comes to the interior, you have a 8-inch touchscreen display, steering wheel wrapped with rubber, automatic air control, and mobile inductive charging. Yeah man. Even your steering wheel has a multifunction control. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. It only costs 2 seconds to do so. Thank you.